before they're stoned. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Hello, hello! We got a package! We're so excited. I am so excited, and you're watching Carlo and Seb channel. If you're interested in this video, what we got from this package, go check this out. Hello, hello! How are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo and Seb channel. We got a package. This one is from Summer Everest. And then this one, they reached out to us, and then we're going to review what we have in this package. So we'll see what's gonna be here. This one is menswear type of thing. And this is going to be good for you guys, all the guys out there, for your summer outfit, for your spring outfit. So this is going to be interesting. And then, so this one is Summer Everest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is a combination of Sebastian's and I. So this one is a really nice one. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's cute socks for Christmas. Ta-da! Oh wow, it's really nice, and then the quality of it, it's thick, so which is good. So this is the first one. Ta-da! Super nice, huh? So Summer Everest. This one is shirts for confident, muscular, and charming men like you. Yes, I'm talking to you right now. So there you go. So this one, this is what they have. And then this is what, that's their QR code. So you can take a picture of that one and then go follow the link. So this is really nice. So let's see what is this one. Ooh, cool. Are you ready for summer? Ta-da! So cool. Look at this one. It's so Hawaiian vibes type of thing. Summery vibes. And then let's see how it is. This is medium. This is going to be mine. Aloha. Look at this. Ta-da. Oh, that's so nice. It's kind of like a silky type of thing. So this one is from Summer Everest. And then it's nice to touch. Nice to touch. And this one is 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it's made in China. So yeah, so this one is super cute. At the end of this one, we're going to show you how it fits us. So that's that. So it's so nice. That's one. And then there's another 3 in here. I just don't know if it's going to be mine or his. Let's see this one. This one. So the cool thing about their package is that you just open here, and then and then you just do this, and then ta-da! So easy. Oh, this is the white, this is just a simple white shirt that we have. Ta-da! There you go. So it's kind of like a body fit type of thing. So it's really simple. So that when you have this one, you will put this one on. Oh, look at Sophia. Sophia likes it too. Sophia! Sophia, let me have that. Ah, she doesn't want me to. You like it, baby? I gotta wear it. So yeah, anyways, so that's that. Why there's a lot? I don't know why there's a lot. Let me see. I'm so excited. Let's open all of it. So, because we bought 2 of this one, anyways. And then, let me see this. And then we also have the black one. They do have a lot of styles, so that's the thing there on that particular website they have. I like this one better than the white one because you do have those silly Christmas holiday type of shirt. I will show it to you. We're going to scroll it on here together so that we will see it. And then they do have those. They have a funny one. They have a summer one. This one is Sebastian. Sebastian is kind of like somewhat neutral type of thing. So this is what he got. Ta-da! Because you already know that we love blue. And then ta-da! Oh, it's really nice. It's like Bora Bora color, which is our favorite thing. So this is I don't know if it is mine or this is his because it's somewhat big, so probably it's mine. But let's see another one. I thought we bought a lot. Oh, and ta-da! And then the summer thing. This one, he likes the palms. And ta-da! But I think this is medium, so it's going to be, it's big. I don't know if he will like this one because the size of it is big. But look at this one. Anyways, the color of it, it's fun colors. There you go. And this one is my favorite one. So you can just not go without this fabulous prints and colors. So go check Summer Everest. So here's the Summer Everest website, so you can really see the different themes and different prints that they have. Summer paintings, sporty, even for special occasions like Valentine's Day and St. Patty's Day. We're going to show you how we like it, how it fits, and then we'll go from there. So here you go. Here's the look number 1 that I have. This one is from Summer Everest. So this is their medium, as you can see. It fits good. It's so comfortable, and yeah, it's really nice looking type of thing. I need to lose a little bit of weight still, but yeah. So this is the first look. How do you like it? I love it. So yeah, so this one is the palm trees type of thing. This is supposed to be Sebastian, but the medium that we got, it's kind of like, it fits me. So yeah, so this is it if you're going to look at it. So yeah, so this is that. Here's look number 2. So yeah, so it's really nice because it's vertical so that it will not emphasize on my belly and then how big I am. So here's look number 2. Which one is your favorite one? This one, it's kind of like a referee type of thing. So yeah, so it's not thin anyways, look. So yeah, it's not as thin as you would think. So this is look number 2. There you go. Look number 3. So yeah, I think among all those 3 tees that we have, or polo shirts, this is my favorite one. It's like banana leaf, it's leaf all over the place, palm leaf, whatever you call that. So this is the look number 3. I would get probably the small one, because the small one would fit like this, so it's kind of like a slim fit type of thing. But this one, it's there's a room for growth, like if I'm going to get fat. But no, I'm just kidding. But here you go. Here's the look number 3. Thank you very much for Summer Everest for sponsoring this video. And then and we'll see you again in the next one. We will see you. We love you all as always. Until next time, do not forget to subscribe, comment below, and then like this video. We'll see you again. You should follow us on our Instagram. It's Carlo&Seb. And then you will see more of us in there aside from here on YouTube. And then we'll see you again. Do not forget to check out Summer Everest. There are upcoming shirts for confident, masculine, or charming men like you, like I said. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. We'll see you again. Bye.
All day.